eyebrow tutorial for beginners. Yes, I know guys, lahat tayo ay may iba't ibang story about our eyebrows. And yung iba nga, pag tinitignan natin yung old photos, natatawa na lang talaga tayo. Parang sinasabi na lang natin na shit, ang pangit talaga. Okay guys, so kung gusto nyo matuto on how to do the eyebrows, just keep on watching. Let's start! So first step is that you have to brush your eyebrows upward. Brush. Makapal talaga yung kilay ko guys. Actually, nung bata pa ako, yung kilay ko is parang yung heart. Yes, may hair ako dito guys. Hanapin ko yung picture and wala. Hanapin ko lang. Okay. Okay guys, so step 2. Outline your eyebrows. Ako guys, sinusunod ko lang yung forma ng eyebrows ko. Kasi parang pangit tignan pag lumalagpas. So yeah. Guys, grabe ang hirap mag-eyebrow na nagsasalita. So, silent muna ako. And by the way guys, tip lang. Huwag nyo lagyan dito na part para hindi kayo magbubukang tsakadal. Okay? So, okay. I'm done with outlining my brows. Step number 3. Fill it in. So, hinay-hinay lang guys. Sa pag-fill ng kilay. Ganun. Then, once you're done, pag natapos mo ng kulayan yung sa loob, brush ka na lang guys sa front part of the eyebrow. Ako, I brush it upward dito sa front. Then, that one. So, that's it. Gagawin ko muna yung left part of my eyebrows and then, after that, magko-concealer tayo. Okay guys, so I'm done with the left part. Now, magko-concealer na tayo. Okay, so let's start. Dito na ako titingin sa mirror ko guys. Then gawin ko din dito sa kaliwa. So yes. Tapos na tayo. So I'll also do this on the left part of my eyebrows. And then I'll see you guys afterwards. By the way guys, if you don't have any concealer, you can use your foundation. Okay guys, so yan na yung eyebrows natin. That's how our eyebrows looks like. So yes, sanayan lang yan guys, I promise you. Noon, hindi din ako marunong mag-eyebrows. And then, I started watching YouTube tutorials and then that's it. So yes, here's our final eyebrow look. Yes. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you on my next vlog. Please like, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then don't forget to click the bell button para updated kayo sa mga bagong uploads ko. Thank you so much guys. Bye!